Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can create combo chart in Google Sheets. Alright, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Google Sheets on my laptop and I have created a table as well, and we're going to make combo chart from this table. So just remember guys that this is just for a demonstration, so I just add random data for my table right here. Okay, and the first thing we're going to do is selecting the whole part of the table like this, and we can click on insert, then just click on chart since we want to make a chart, and after that the chart will be created. And since we want to create combo chart, we can change the chart type. We can click on the chart type right here, then just scroll down until you find combo chart, and this is the combo chart. Just click on it. And to make this combo chart, make sure that you have two columns for your vertical axis. And here I have two columns on my table. I have March and April, and this is the March data, and this is for the April. Make sure that you have two columns, okay guys, so this line will appear on your chart. Alright guys, and that's how basically we can create combo chart in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.